We're going to be all right, too. I think the folks that were in town for the first half of the South by Southwest Festival and came in for the fair and rodeo this past weekend were wondering what in the world is going on here. It's supposed to be warm in the spring in Austin, Texas. It was rainy. It was cold, obviously, for 3 straight days. But that's behind us. And it looks like for the remainder of South by Southwest, not only the film and interactive portion, but for all the music fans coming into town now for the kickoff of that portion of the festival, it's going to be a 180. I mean, we're going to be warmer than normal every day the rest of the week. Now, we can't rule out some rain this week, but it looks spotty. Doesn't look anything organized like that big low that sat out to the west and didn't move and brought us all the persistent rain over a 2-3 day period. That's not going to be the case this week, and we're going to talk more about that in a minute. Here's a live look at 6th and Congress. Lots of folks downtown. Looks like a Friday night down there, doesn't it? A lot of folks down at this hour. This is our Paramount Theater camera giving us that view of the city. 78 degrees is the current temperature in downtown Austin. Wonderful out there. 73 at 8 o'clock. We're forecasting still to be at 70 degrees at 10 p.m. That, too, is a 180. Remember last Friday? Some places didn't get out of the 30s. Most of us, the rest of us, didn't get out of the 40s. This afternoon, we're in the 80s. 84 in Llano right now. It's 84 degrees in Burnet as well. Here in the metro area, upper 70s and low 80s. A little warmer out in the hill country. You didn't have the low clouds and fog as long as we did here in the morning and in our eastern counties in the metro area and in the eastern counties this morning. It was pretty foggy for a while. Once that burned off, though, temperature is just super this afternoon. You can see the 70s and low 80s right now. Partly cloudy, 79 in Austin. At the airport, it is 78 degrees. Skies are partly cloudy. Winds are southerly, a breezy, 12 to 14 miles per hour. Sunset tonight, 7:38 p.m. Set your clock up an hour yesterday. If you didn't, you're a little behind. 217 and low on the mold count. Oak, 48 low. Hackberry, assorted other tree pollens added up to 33 and low. 70s to low 80s right now across all of Texas. It's a warm late winter day out there. We still have a little bit to go before the official start of spring, but it's going to feel spring-like all week. Gray shades there. That's the low cloudiness we had this morning. Burned away. We've got some sun this afternoon. We've got some high clouds coming our way. The storm system that sat still for a while finally did take off this weekend. It's now located up over the Great Lakes, spreading some rain into the east. What we're going to next see in terms of our weather pattern is a huge trough of low pressure set up out over the western United States this week. And then it's going to stay there through the weekend, but it's far enough west that all it will do for us is induce a southerly flow off the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll have some persistent clouds and fog and drizzle in the mornings, but the low probabilities generally for showers and thunderstorms. A slight chance every day beginning on Wednesday, but not anything real organized. Now, next week, after the festival is over with, we may return to a wetter than normal pattern with a big storm finally kicking out. We'll be warmer than normal in that same time frame, too, and certainly warmer than normal all week this week. Future clouds and radar will bring some low clouds up in the morning, then they'll dissipate. Then we'll see some low clouds come up again Wednesday morning, then they'll dissipate. Maybe a passing shower during the afternoon on Wednesday. Then that pattern will again repeat the rest of the week. These are the lows tonight. Low 60s. These are your highs tomorrow. Up around 80 degrees or so. Austin tonight, low clouds, patchy fog late. Let's go 62. Tomorrow morning we'll start cloudy, overcast, fog, drizzle, and then partly sunny to mostly cloudy in the afternoon and a high temperature of 79. And on the 7-day forecast, you'll notice the weather looks about the same every single day, and that's because we're going to be in a pattern that's going to really not change for the next 7 days. We'll be right